Today, we are going to install LED turn signal bulbs in this 2018 Honda Civic. To remove the bulb, you will want to twist the bulb counterclockwise. You should then be able to remove the bulb with ease. Next, you will want to remove the bulb from the socket. As you can see, this is a 7440 bulb. Comparing the stock halogen bulb with the LED bulb, you can see that there is a size difference, but if you look closer at the socket connection, you can see that they are identical. Let's go ahead and install the LED bulb. You will want to insert the LED connection into the turn signal socket and twist clockwise.